So technicians use something called a measured move, and 225 to 300, the math is 75. So all I would do is take 75, add it to 300, and once this occurred, the measured move would suggest the probabilities have increased that this should get to 375. Ends up getting to even a little bit more than that, 400. But what would I do with it now? Okay, so I can see that the short-term trend is up. The intermediate term trend is also improving. It is on top of this moving average. It is above this peak where it somewhat stalled for a little bit in November. And then you also had some probably fundamental news to take it back above this peak. So if I were to draw a horizontal line roughly at that 350 something to 360 area, I would say, coupled with this short-term trend, I would say this has pulled back to a spot where it is buyable. I would then say, as long as it stays above X% of what I'm willing to lose, below this, let's say for round purpose, for putting a value on it, say as long as it stays above 360, whatever X%, I'll buy it. Now I look at then a longer term chart, and I know it's had a big move from the COVID low up until sometime in the end of 2021. Most stocks peaked either in November or November 2021 or January of 22. So hence it ended up having this pullback like many other stocks have done. What I do know is that this has been outperforming the market, because the market is still roughly down, let's say 20%. If I do a comparison